Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by protecting yourself and the work. Gloves, eye protection, and a respirator non-negotiable. Once done, clear the area and lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Apply a thin coat of chemical stripper to a small test spot so you can see how the finish reacts. This prevents surprises. Make sure to work with the grain when you start scraping. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift softened paint or stain. These first moves set the pace for efficient removal. Once the top layer lifts, treat the stubborn areas systematically. Reapply stripper in short cycles so the chemical keeps working without saturating wood. Make sure to combine methods. Use a heat gun on a low setting to soften thick paint, but keep moving to avoid scorching. Maintain a 6-8 inch distance. Scrape gently between cycles and then sand progressively from 120 to 180 grit to refine the surface. This layered approach removes residue without damaging fibers and preserves the wood's profile. You finish by neutralizing any stripper per the label and wiping the surface with mineral spirits to remove residues. This prevents finish adhesion problems. Once dry, sand with 220 grit for a smooth feel, then remove dust with a tack cloth. If you plan to restain, apply a wood conditioner first to reduce blotchiness, then use thin, even coats of stain. If issues arise, like stubborn stain or burn marks, lightly sand the spot and repeat neutralize/clean steps before refinishing to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.